my channel. So I am super excited to share with you this amazing app. So this app is for my people who are like teenagers and they need to save up some money and they want some extra coins. This is for you. If you're someone that's like, yo, like I just pay rent and I don't know what I'm gonna eat for the rest of the week, I need some gas money, like something real quick, then this app is definitely for you. If you're interested, definitely stay tuned. So this app is for my iPhone users. This app is called iMoney. And let me go ahead and I'm going to just screen record with you some stuff about the app. So that way you guys can follow along with me, because I know it's really hard to find stuff out there that's legit to help you like find money, and it's like all this referring stuff and you actually never get the money and you never see it. So I'm going to screen record this so that way you guys can see my proof of like the money that I have made because of this app. This is what it looks like. However, it may have like way more apps than just this. The reason I only have this one right now is because like I completed a lot of tasks today, so it's currently not available. Like more apps is not available. Throughout the day and throughout tomorrow there's going to be more apps that's available. But basically what you do is you download apps, you leave it open for 3 minutes, and then you go back and you collect your rewards. Now the prices that they pay is anywhere between 23 cents on up to $6.99. For me specifically, every app that I've mostly done has always been 23 cents or 25 cents. And I've only seen like the $6.99 one twice. So I signed up for this on June 29th and I received my first payout on July 2nd. It was in my bank account. So here it is. So I know this one right here says 3 cents. That's just because it's like literally a quick game and you could just keep doing this repeatedly. However, the apps itself that you would download, so I can show you guys right here, is my task list of all the stuff that I have completed. So the first one you see at the very top that was completed on July 10th is called POF. I had to download that, leave it open for 3 minutes, and then I received 25 cents. And then you see I did a withdrawal that was sent to my PayPal account of $25. And then I did a task of BTT, which I had to download that app, and I received 25 cents. And then I did the bingo app, which was 23 cents, and so on. And you can see some more like withdrawals and notifications of tasks and stuff that I have completed. So every time that you sign in every day, you get 10 cents that's added on. Here's some more, like I talked about the tasks that I completed. I received 25 cents, 25 cents, 23 cents, 30 cents. I received the gift, 10 cents. And then I withdraw the $25 and had that sent to my PayPal. I did some more tasks, 23 cents, 10 cents, so on. You could keep scrolling down. Now right here where it says friend task, you have the opportunity to make money by referring people. So when you refer someone to the app, that's $2 additional in your account. The more that they continue to go on and complete tasks and download these apps, then that's 50 cents per app they download. And yo, my transaction. So like I said, I started on June 29th. And so on the 30th, I had $7.75. On the 30th, I withdrew $1. Later on, I ended up withdrawing $5, which left me a balance of $1.75. And then as of July 8th, I withdrew $25, and that left me with a balance of 45 cents. So I'm pretty sure you guys are questioning, sure, yeah, right, like I need to see proof. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna log into my PayPal account. You guys are watching me as I log in. Yes, that's my email for PayPal. And so right here, on the 1st, I have my $1 sent to my PayPal account, and then on the 1st, I also transferred that $1 to my bank account. Then on the 2nd, my $5 hit the PayPal account and I transferred that to my bank account. And then the $25 actually hit my account on the 10th. So here it is. This is my proof. It says my name up here at the top. So this is actually something legit. If you are looking to make more money, definitely this is the app that I do recommend. Definitely be sure to use my code, which I will leave here on the screen, and I will also leave the link to this in the description below, and my code. So be sure to definitely, they have that $1 option where you could withdraw the $1. So that way you can know for sure that it's legit. I would not tell you guys or tell you anything about something that I haven't personally tried. I've been introduced to Level Rewards and I've never made anything. There's other referral companies out here and I've never made anything, or I instantly, like, I make a certain amount, but I still never see that money hit my account or hit my PayPal account. So there it is, guys. If you have any questions, definitely be sure to shoot me an email and leave a comment in the and also leave a comment if you have any questions. And I thank you all for tuning into my video. Bye.